PayPal declines happen even with money in the bank. Here's how to fix it fast. Check the card itself. Log in, wallet, select the card. Make sure it's not expired, frozen, or removed. Click Confirm Card. Complete the 4-digit PayPal code charge. Appears on statement in 1 to 3 days. Common reasons and fixes: insufficient funds, transfer money, or use a different card. Bank. Billing address mismatch. Edit card. Exact address as on bank statement. Bank blocked PayPal. Call the number on the back of your card. Say, authorize PayPal. International transaction blocked. Wallet, card, edit, allow international. Daily limit hit. Wait 24 hours or increase limit with your bank. Quick workarounds. Add and verify a bank account. ACH. PayPal usually accepts instantly. Use PayPal Balance or linked bank instead of card. Try PayPal Key, Virtual MasterCard, if available. Still declined? Remove and re-add the card. Contact PayPal, message, card declined. Live agent in less than 2 minutes.